topic is momentum. What is momentum? Basically, it is a quantity of a motion. It is a quantity of motion, or we can say that the quantity of a moving body measured as its mass and velocity that call the momentum. Or we can say that the product of the mass and velocity is called momentum. The product of a mass and velocity called the momentum. So basically it is a product of the mass and velocity. So the formula should be that momentum is denoted by the P. So we can say that P is equals to m into V, which is mass and velocity. P is equals to m into V, because the product of mass and velocity is called the momentum. So here P is equals to, what is the unit of mass? That is a kg. And what is the unit of velocity? That is meter per second. So P is equals to kg meter per second. So that's a unit. After that, momentum is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Now we are taking an example, like here this is a road, right? And here one person is standing, and from here we can see one bicycle came, and the mass of that bicycle was 50 kg, and the velocity of that bicycle was 60 meter per second. Now that bicycle come, and he, or we can say the person that was standing on the bicycle, that we can say that injured that person, that hit the bicycle, that person got, we can say he got fell on the ground. So we can say that what will be the momentum of that mass? For example, P is equals to m into V. So what is the mass? That is a 50. And what is the velocity? That is 60. So P will be is equals to 3000 kg. After that, here the person was standing, but now this time one truck came. The one big truck came whose mass was 2500 kg, and whose velocity was the same as 60 meter per second. But this one truck hit that person, and that person got die, right? That person die, or we can say it got high injury. So what will be the momentum of this? That is the mv. So P is equals to 5000 into 60, so that is equals to 150,000 kg. So we can say that why this person died, because this momentum of this one was the high, and this one momentum was the low. So we can say that the momentum is the vector quantity, that is the product of the mass and velocity. After that, there is a one point, that does a stationary body possesses momentum? Body possesses momentum. What do you mean by stationary body? That is in the rest. The body that is in the rest, that is called the stationary stationary body. So here in the rest, obviously V will be is equals to 0. V is equals to 0. So if we calculate the momentum, so for example mass is m and V is 0. So when we multiply mass with mass with 0, so it will be equals to 0. So we can say that stationary body does not possess momentum, does not possesses momentum. So that was a momentum.